Hi, my name is Claudio Fuyu and my project is called Soccer League Table and Nets. It is about that with our code, it will let the soccer team insert the amount of points they had through all the tournament. And depending by the number of points they had, they will know by the letter that it turned on in which of the three ranks they ended up. If they relegated, did not classify to the playoffs but still be in Division 1, or if they classify directly to the playoffs. The inputs in our project are the position that will be compared. The process we will use decision if to compare the amount of points with the rank of the position that we have identified. And the outputs we are going to print in the serial monitor the points and message and to turn the corresponding LED on the circuit. The components we will use are Tinkercad, an Arduino, breadboard, 3 LEDs and 3 resistors. This is not our final project, but it's an example of how our code and circuit will look. In our final project, we will clearly use other variable and digits. First, we will create a variable called team points, then other variables called LED1, LED2, and LED3. We will assign a LEDs to a slot and with a pin mode indicate that LEDs are an output. After we start sharing monitor, we will put the points of the team and we are going to use the conditional if because it makes that the LED turn on with only specific numbers. So we will indicate the ranges for each type of them. If the range of the points is between 0 and 20, the red light will turn on, with a delay of 3 seconds and the message relegated will pop up. If the range of points is between 21 and 40, the yellow LED will turn on, with the same delay and the message not classified to playoffs will appear. And if the range of points is between 41 and 60, the green LED will turn on, with the same delay of 3 seconds and the message congrats classified to the playoffs will appear. All of these messages on the serial monitor. So in a conclusion, by learning how to create a code and using a circuit along all the semester, now by doing my final project, I consider that I'm able to solve other type of situations. In the future, I could make a code and a circuit in relation with my other problems. So instead of going in a crisis, I will think for a possible solution. And I think this computational thinking course and project helped me a lot to think, act, and solve.